Shelby County, southeastern Jefferson County, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:59 p.m. Central Standard Time,
I am under
severe
it.
thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Fairfield to near West Blockton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Holy
per hour.
crap. There it is.
Source, radar indicated.
Under it right there.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I am under it.
Locations impacted include Mountain Brook, Columbiana, Highway 145 and 346, American Village, Westover, Oak Mountain State Park, Camp Ranch, Liberty Park, Hoover Veterans Park, Vanderveer, Alabaster Veterans Park, Vestavia Hills, Maline, Helena, Chelsea, Inverness, Grand Mill Road Bridge, Cahaba Heights, Leeds, and Wilton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m.
It's gonna be ugly.
For Central Alabama.
It's gonna be ugly.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and Shelby.
And that agencies have ultimate decision-making authority for such.
Doubleheader.
Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottonga County, Chilton County, Lowndes County, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time.
That's the second. I always keep cutting the video every time there's a double header.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brookfield Ironworks Park to 7 miles south of Belknap, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Minooka Park, Haynesville, Lomax, Gap of the Mountain, Robert F., Henry Lock and Dam, Clanton, Ottonga County Airport, I-65 Rest Area, Verbena, Mulberry, Marbury, Mitchell Lake, Leatherhead Sheen, Mitchell Dam, New Prospect, Fort Deposit, Mount Willing, Logan, Gordonville, and Whitehall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for Central, South Central, and East Central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Chilton, Alabama.
The fact that they put reports under U.S. control of allegations from the Trump administration of Chinese interference